you might be asking me why I'm rolling through a neighborhood. I'm rolling through a neighborhood because we got a residential impound. This one's in a house. It's probably a landlord or somebody that rents a room out that wants a vehicle removed out of their house. And that's what we do. We remove unwanted cars. So we're gonna see what the story is. It could be a neighbor that was just parking in the driveway. Could have a confrontation. You can't never tell. You always got to be on high alert doing these impounds. Hey there. How you doing?
Okay.
What's the story? Is this the one you want gone?
Yeah.
Okay. Just no.
Sorry about that.
Don't do too much.
Always do too much.
Okay. This a renter or is it yours or?
It was abandoned here.
Oh, it was abandoned here. Okay.
Somebody had living here a while back.
Yeah.
But they never come back. God, it's been here over 2 years.
Wow.
And Dora was going to ticket me.
Well,
So I pushed it in the garage for a while. Still to come get it. So.
You just need to tow it. That's all you need to do.
I the house, so I rolled it out.
Yeah, I got you. Anyway, on the way down to this call right here, I spotted a guy. He's sitting by the road, well, in front of a storefront. And it looked to me like he had his shopping cart out there or something. Looked like a homeless dude. After I ran that call, there's a restaurant down the street, Baldino's, that I like to eat at. So I bought this guy a sandwich from Baldino's, man. It's one of my spots, man. I stop at pretty regular if I'm down here in this area. They got really good sandwiches. They're like $4 for a sandwich, man. They hook it up, man. But I'm gonna stop in there and give him a sandwich and maybe break him off some cash. I want to see if we can get this guy to smile. What's going on, man? How you doing? Alright. Got you a sandwich, man. Appreciate and I got you a 100, man.
Thank you, sir.
You doing okay?
Thanks for making it better.
Look, you've been, yeah, it's rough. Hey, God loves you, man. I love you, man. Have a blessed day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, take care, man. Anyway, we just rolled into a property, non-consensual towing. You know, we're fixing to yank somebody's car. First off, we got a scooter parked on the sidewalk. It's been stickered and they want it towed, so I'm gonna load that scooter up first. Got the scooter loaded up. I'm gonna pull up here and put a better strap on it. I don't like the way I got it strapped. I'm gonna put one more strap on it to keep it from rocking back and forth, and it won't be good on that. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll get the next car. Anyway, we're rolling back in on this first car. It's an all-wheel drive, so it's gonna be a little bit of a trick to get it loaded with the angle and everything, but we can get it. Flat tired Lincoln right here. So this driveway's got a lot of people coming down through here. I got another car coming. It's real easy to piss people off by blocking their path. I've had altercations over just being in the way. But it is what it is, man. I'm gonna hook this thing up, man, as quick as I can. Get it out. Get it loaded. What's up, man? You drive? Y'all moving it now?
Yeah.
You can get it off the property, she won't tow it.
We've already, I just got in town.
Hey, that girl, people in the office said they're the ones that run it, not me. Just got to talk. If you can move it, then by law, it's your right to move it if you want to move it.
Understand, bro.
All right, appreciate it, man. Yeah, have a good one. He's fixing to drive it out of here on a flat tire. I don't know how much of that I caught on video, if anything at all. I don't know. But maybe I caught that on video. It happened so quick, boy. They come flying out of there. But they got the opportunity to move it right now if they want to move it. Evidently it runs. I don't know. I mean, it don't really matter to me if it runs or not. It's got a flat tire. She stickered it multiple times. Trying to move that car is what they're trying to do. Right now they're moving the car, and they're pushing it right this minute, trying to fix that. They had it over the line. What they did, they had it over the line, and they're trying to get it straight. They got it back in a parking space. Looks like. But man, they got a good tag on that car. Like I said, I'm here, man, to get the cars to go. I ain't trying to have no big altercations. I got to get the money and go. I got more impounds other places. If I get hung up over one car, make a big stink over, you know, get the police out here, man. I ain't got time to deal with all that, man. I got to roll. Anyway, I'm gonna sign these two here out. Stay tuned.